Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a different format video. It's not a joyride. I'm here with my good friend Iman Maghsoudi from XUS Studio.
Hey guys.
Now, Iman was the visionary guy that implemented the sci-fi tunnel, designed it, and I told him what I want, and he was incredible implementing it from A to Z. And I've been talking to him for past 7 years about doing my own car design. Doing a one-off platform on, I don't know what chassis. We've changed so many different brands from Tesla to Ferrari. And now I'm up to something else, and I made a call to him last week. I said, Iman, I'm ready. Let's do this. So the journey begins. Iman, introduce yourself since we've never done an introduction formally.
Yeah, thank you, Manny, for having me. So guys, hello, I'm Iman. I'm a futurist designer, car designer, and including furniture, architecture, and stuff like that. So I've been friends with Manny for the last 10 years, and our shared passion is obviously cars. I've helped Manny spec some of his favorite cars here, and then we were like, let's do more and more. So we did the sci-fi tunnel, and since the beginning, we've been thinking about creating a unique car, a masterpiece, a work of art. But we never settled on the platform, on the design. Like Manny said, we tried Tesla, Ferrari, this and that. But today is really exciting because he called me, he said, Iman, I want to pull the trigger. So I'm really excited. It's a dream project. So Manny, tell me, what's your vision for this project?
Latest vision.
Latest vision, yes.
Well, I've always dreamed of the Bugatti Royale, futuristic Bugatti Royale. Because when Ettore Bugatti built that car, it was for the kings. I think they only built 3, but the car is such a grandeur. I think it's 21 feet long and its height. It's just grand. When you drive the car, it really makes a statement. So I'm thinking, forget the hybrid, hypercars. We talked about doing,
Electric
supercars,
ones and supercars.
Yeah, now I'm looking to get something more like a land yacht. It's not going to be a Bugatti, based on a Bugatti chassis, obviously, but my inspo is the Bugatti Royale. Some of the cars I'm thinking about using as a donor, potentially a Rolls Royce. Hello. But I don't know. That's what Iman comes to play, and let me know what we can work with. But
yeah, there are plenty of platforms. I mean, obviously Rolls-Royce have plenty of platforms. The one thing that we know for sure we're not gonna do is a freaking SUV, right?
No way.
No
SUV.
No way. No SUVs.
So basically Bugatti Royale,
yes,
inspo in 200 years from now. Very futuristic, but the same grandeur.
Music to my ears.
Yeah.
Music to my ears. 200 years in the future, I'm envisioning like a grandeur convertible land yacht, which like you can blend in the interior to the exterior of the vehicle. It's not like secluded, it's not like a bubble. The interior is part of the exterior and vice versa. So you can bring in some of the nice touches and materials of the exterior into the interior and take some out with some extremely intricate details, lighting stuff, cool materials, and like a crafted like a jewelry, like a watch.
Well, you lost me at hello. I mean, why don't you sketch something and show me what
Yeah,
you're talking?
sure.
Because I don't know, you went in, out, inside.
Because I'm envisioning it, I mean, it's like here. All right, Manny, so what's your favorite feature of the Royale?
The length, the height, and also convertible.
Yes, that's awesome. So in a normal car, so let's say we're gonna have this wheel, right? In a normal car, you might have like 1, 2, like 3 wheels to get to the next one. In a more grandeur car, you might have like more room to do that. And
Longer wheelbase.
Longer wheelbase. And well, the good news is all Rolls-Royces have longer wheelbase than normal cars, so that's awesome.
And especially the extended wheelbase.
Yeah, especially that one. So the good thing is we have that. And the other thing that I'm envisioning is we want to have some sort of a sweeping line towards the end of the car. So that's going to be like going down this way. That's typical Rolls-Royce. And well, we're going to have some sort of I guess, braking line somewhere that's going to like divide the car. Maybe we do two-tone, 2 different materials, different colors and finishes.
Love that.
That would be nice.
Maybe implement some kind of a rose gold metal.
That would be awesome. one of the features is the door handle, which is like here, because we have the suicide doors, right? And that's like a big piece of chrome here.
Wait a
which
minute, you're not designing the car right now and showing it to everybody, are you?
Well, I don't know. What I'm gonna
This guy's
say
quick.
is, yeah, there's just some ideas. I might wanna integrate this into the design of the body somehow and have some like cameras maybe integrated into that, you know, to bring
Like
some
the speed
future
tail?
into yeah, something like that. And well, and speaking of which, on the top view side of things, I'm thinking of having like a huge, nice, big yacht-like centerpiece from the top view, perhaps. So that's you, Manny, with your hat, sitting here, you know, driving the car, something like that. And maybe it's just a single-seater. I'm not sure.
Let me take a look. What do you got there?
Okay, there you go.
Oh wow, that does look like a speedboat.
Yes, it does.
Very cool. Please don't tell me these are all wheels because we're not doing 8-wheel car here. Well, this is a good start, but have you seen the Rolls-Royce round door?
Yes, that's
Okay.
a one-off.
Yeah, it's a one-off. They
Yes.
built in 1932, I think.
Yeah.
The guy had it commissioned. The guy basically went to Rolls-Royce, says, build me a car, I guess the body of the, the body work, that I can win every show, you know, every auto show I go to. And the car actually has won every auto show. I mean, the car is incredible. I've seen it at the road. So I want something a little bit more, this one is a little bit more low profile. I want something more grandeur, kind of like that, but futuristic. But you're on the right track with the boat style and the smoothness of the rear. But I think the size needs to be a little bit bigger. So like I was saying, round door, Rolls-Royce.
Okay.
Taller,
All right.
beefier, and more grandeur.
Okay.
And not so low profile.
Right.
So,
Okay.
All right.
Okay. Now we got some more direction from your side. Let me see what I can do.
Maestro at work.
Yeah. So let's get the proportions in place. So I was thinking of maybe. Well, obviously we want to have like the wheels like covered, right?
Yeah.
That's what we need.
That always makes the car futuristic.
Exactly. So I was thinking maybe we should do that, and then I'm not sure about front wheel being covered, but let's just see. Maybe I'm just going to leave it exposed for now. But the thing is the greenhouse, right? So I want to have like a long bonnet, like a long hood. You know, we want to have the Rolls-Royce thing there, and I would love to have some sort of a wraparound, like windshield, right? That would be amazing, maybe. And do you like the fin? The fin here? I mean, it's like a sporty. It could be cool. I'm not sure, but I mean, maybe. Well, if I have the fin there, maybe I would integrate the third brake light and the exhaust here at the same time in the center, perhaps. I don't know. But yeah, and then like the badge of the car here. And like maybe we got the door mirrors here with cameras and stuff. And
Iman, you lost me at hello. Where is
really?
the front? Where is the rear?
oh, come on, yeah. So Manny, that's you here. So that's like a huge car, like you're this much.
This is the front?
No, that's the end.
Oh,
that's the rear end.
Holy
Come
moly.
on, man. Come on. That's the rear end. That's the rear end. Yeah, so that's the greenhouse, right? So that's the greenhouse. We might have like a split window in the back too. So it's like this. Yeah. So it's like huge, and like right next to it, like we can have like a. This is a full-size Toyota Corolla. How about that? So now I can get the size.
Ah. Got it. Ooh, that looks much better. Okay, we're making progress.
Yes.
We're making progress.
Yes.
But this is not a convertible, it's hard.
It's not. This one's like coupe.
But I like it.
Yeah,
I
but
like
we
it.
can
So
do-
lights and exhaust goes in here, wheel covers. Wow.
Yeah, wrap around like windshield.
Iman, I think we're onto something here.
Great.
Guys, we're gonna do probably 100 more revisions before we land on the final spec. But I'm super excited, and I'm excited to share this journey with you guys as it unfolds. Thank you, Iman, for coming down, and thanks
Thank
for
you,
joining me
Manny.
on this project.
Thank you,
We're
guys.
excited. But that's it. Stay tuned for the next session with Iman.